Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but cannot browse Safari and use App Store on your iPad 5th generation Air. So in order to fix that, we'll need to go to our settings, and the first thing is locate location. So we go to search and start writing location, and we press on this setting right here. Now enable location services and go back to the main settings. Now go to general, date and time, and just enable set automatically. And now when your time zone shows here, you should be able to use your Safari. As you can see, it works. And App Store just as normal. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.